Hi guys, this is our new Audi RS4 B9 450 PS. Currently got a DTUK tuning box on there. Quick guide, obviously showing you where the plugs are. Quite similar to the Audi S4. Camshaft sensor is down here on the left hand side. Just down there. It's your camshaft sensor. Got your two boost sensors. You've got one here, and then the second one is down this main air intake, and it's just, I don't know whether you can see it, down there. Box situated in a very similar place down by the ECU. So you've got one boost sensor down there, you've got your second boost sensor there, and then you've got your camshaft sensor down there. What we've done here is we've just cable tied the camshaft cable along here, keep it away from everything hot, wrap the excess cables just there, as I say, place the module there.